Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the screen right here. So simply start off by selecting your language. From there, tap on an arrow to go to the next page where you can insert your SIM card or completely skip it, and really doesn't change much. So let's go to next. And here we have some legal stuff. So obviously we need to agree to the end user license agreement, and this is the only thing that we need to agree to. Rest is optional. Now also you can tap on details to read the agreement or end user license agreement if you are interested in it. If not, then just select it and go to next. And the next page is the Wi-Fi section. So here we can connect to our mobile, or not mobile, but Wi-Fi network, assuming you are near one. If not, you can skip it. If you choose to skip it, you will also miss out on the ability to log into Google account during the setup. But don't worry, you can do that later on simply through settings. I'm gonna skip it for now. And now we have copy apps and data. So this is if you want to restore your device from an old backup, and if you don't, then select don't copy, and that will be it. Next page, Google services. So we have three different ones: location, scanning, and send user and diagnostic data. Not really much to say here. Location basically is used by applications that will require it, things like Google Maps to give you an accurate route. Scanning scans for networks like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth devices, and then sends user and diagnostic data, gathers data on you and sends it to Google. Now you can disable them if you don't want to use them, and then tap on accept. Now we have protect your device. So here we can set up protection to our phone, or not phone but tablet. So we have face recognition, PIN, pattern, password. So choose which if you want one. If not, then you can skip it. And Samsung account. Now this is basically bloatware here. I'm from Samsung. If you want to skip it, it will bring up also this information right here that by skipping you miss out on basically everything that Google has to offer as well, and comes basically baked into this device by default. So we don't need any of this because we already have it because it's an Android. So I'm gonna skip it, and then we can actually tap on finish and be completely done with the setup. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.